Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800, with a 355.7 engine paired to a rebuilt 700R4 automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. The truck, finished in a fresh white paint job just 2 months ago, originally came in a white and blue two-tone scheme. It features a blue interior that remains in good condition, while the exterior now sports new headlights, taillights, a third brake light, moldings, a tailgate decal, and 454SS mirrors for a clean, updated look. The truck has been used as a daily driver and is mechanically sound, with the entire front suspension recently replaced, including all 4 control arms and tie rods.
The air conditioning system was just serviced with a new condenser and O-rings, ensuring it blows ice cold.
Riding on nearly new tires wrapped around 15-inch torque thrust wheels, the truck also benefits from a 2/4 drop that gives it a sharp stance.
Number 2.
1997 Ford F250, price $9,500, finished in a classic green exterior with a tan interior, paired with an automatic transmission and powered by the legendary 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine. Despite showing 388,380 miles on the odometer, the truck continues to run strong, a testament to the reliability and longevity that this engine is known for. Recently, the interior has been refreshed with brand new leather seats and new carpeting throughout, giving the cabin a clean and comfortable feel despite its age. Mechanically, the truck has been well cared for, with regular servicing ensuring the diesel engine remains solid and dependable. On the outside, the body shows somewhere with dents and paint chips, including a larger dent on the driver's side of the bed. The air conditioning functions intermittently, but there are no major rust or structural concerns.
A clean title is included. Number 3. 1991 GMC 1500, price $8,000, features an automatic transmission, a 5.7L V8 engine, and runs on gasoline.
It has an off-white exterior with a red interior that is in exceptionally clean, near-mint condition, something rarely found in a truck of this age. The engine runs and drives perfectly, making it a dependable choice. The paint and body are about 7/10, with some faded spots from a self-done paint job, though it still looks good in sunlight. The air conditioning isn't working due to a faulty connector on the AC accumulator, and the instrument cluster only shows fuel, oil pressure, and battery voltage, leaving the actual mileage unknown. The brakes work but have started squeaking and may need replacement soon. Overall, this GMC 1500 is a strong driver with an excellent interior, needing only a few minor fixes to be taken to the next level. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1985 Toyota pickup, price $8,000, showing just 146,000 miles. It is powered by the legendary 22R engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and was originally purchased new at Lee White Toyota in Lemon Grove, California. The truck is finished in white with a gray interior and comes with a clean Arizona title and current registration through 2029. Equipped with factory power steering but no air conditioning, it runs and drives excellent with all systems working as they should.
Recent maintenance includes a brand new alternator, ensuring it is fully up to date. Inside and out, the truck remains very original, with only a minor dent on the passenger side rear bedside as its single blemish.
With low original miles, this pickup is just getting broken in and is ready to be enjoyed for many more years.
Number 5.
1978 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, powered by a dependable gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It delivers a smooth and straightforward driving experience. The exterior is finished in a clean, bright white that pairs nicely with the blue interior, giving the truck a timeless and appealing look. Inside, it offers several comfort features not always found in trucks of this era, including electric windows, a tilt steering column, and air conditioning that blows cold and works exactly as it should. The cabin feels inviting and functional, making it enjoyable weather for short trips or extended drives. Adding to its practicality, this Chevy is equipped with 2 fully operational gas tanks, a rare and useful feature that provides extra range without the need for frequent fuel stops.
Number 6.
1997 GMC 2500, price $9,999, powered by the legendary 7.4L big block paired with the heavy-duty 4L80 transmission. At 213k miles, it runs and drives flawlessly, uses no oil, and still has plenty of life left. The truck is completely rust-free with a solid frame, new brakes, and over $1,000 in fresh front-end work, ball joints, CV axles, pitman arm, shocks. It sits on Bridgestone Dual-T tires with less than 6k miles, mounted on newer wheels. Inside, the dash is crack-free, the seats are excellent aside from normal driver's wear, and recent updates include new window motors, door pins, and handles. A sea blows cold and everything works as it should. Number 7. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000. This truck has 165,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a distinctive turquoise exterior with a green interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the reliable 4.3L V6 engine. The truck has been well cared for since nearly new, always running on street tires throughout its life. The air conditioning blows cold, and the heater works just as it should. While it does need cab corners and shows a little rust in the rockers, the rest of the truck remains very solid overall. With a clean, open title, this classic pickup stands as a dependable and honest example of Chevrolet's mid-90s craftsmanship.
Number 8.
1992 Ford F150, price $6,000. This truck shows 160,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 4.9L inline V6 engine. Finished in a bold purple exterior, the truck has excellent paint and body condition, while the interior remains well kept and inviting. Its custom build gives it a distinctive presence, making it a one-of-a-kind example that stands apart from other trucks on the road. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand, and the tags are current and up-to-date, providing peace of mind for the next owner. While the truck is solid and presents itself extremely well, the engine will require a rebuild or replacement, offering an opportunity for the buyer to restore it to its full strength.
Number 9.
1964 Ford F100, price $6,450, with its black exterior paired with a matching black interior, giving it a timeless and bold look. Powered by a V8 289 engine, it runs on gasoline and is equipped with a manual transmission, featuring the traditional 3-on-the-tree column shifter that adds to its vintage character. The truck also comes fitted with Flowmaster FX exhaust, producing a loud and distinctive rumble that enthusiasts are sure to appreciate. While there is some body rust that comes with its age, the frame remains in good condition, making it a reliable and enjoyable Sunday driver. Overall, this F100 carries both charm and personality, and it will be showcased at the Hallettsville Colatchfest Car Show on September 27 at the KFC Hall, offering the perfect opportunity to see this classic pickup up close.
Number 10.
1970 Dodge Ram 3500, price $7,500. The truck comes finished in blue with a matching blue interior, creating a period-correct look that captures the era perfectly. Under the hood sits a 440 engine sourced from a late 60s stock car, paired with nitrous, a built 727 transmission, and a Dana rear end. Despite being a 1-ton truck, it was no stranger to performance, having earned a reputation as a well-known street racing machine throughout Central Florida in the late 1980s and 1990s. In fact, it was even used as promotional material for the 1992 spring race at Daytona Speedway. Equipped with factory air conditioning and crank windows, this Dodge offers both utility and classic charm. While it does run and drive, the truck will need to be towed and restored to bring it back to its former glory.